The illusion of time. Now, I don't like shattering anyone's illusions, but if it's any consolation, mine were the first to get shattered. For 20 years, I believed that time was just an illusion. Now is all that there was. There was no past, no future, just now, and physics doing what physics does, all around us and within us. I called it the Phys. Time was a beautiful and essential construct placed over this reality so that we could survive. If time didn't exist, we would have had to invent it. But I thought of a mind game to prove that time was just an illusion. However, and most unfortunately, this backfired on me. I drew a line on a piece of paper and said, "This is now." Of course, the line was going to be thinner. How thin? Planck thin. Planck time is roughly 10 to the power of negative 44 seconds. The time is the time it would take a photon traveling at the speed of light to cross a distance equal to 1 Planck length. Quarks and other elementary particles are point particles that have no size. However, 3 quarks and 3 gluons make a proton, and this does have size. Probably this is the thickness of now. We're all passing through time at the speed of light, 3 quarks at a time. Now can only contain and pass on to the next now the tiniest part of an atom. But I see an even bigger problem. Now is a still image. To refine now, we must carve it down, removing all motion. A still image cannot contain motion data. Speed, acceleration, spin, which direction it's going, none of this is indicated by a still image. Maybe now contains what? Something has to pass on this information from now to now, or we'd all be unknown protons frozen in place. So there must be some time to carry the motion on to the next now, but only enough to provide all the information needed. Oh dear, actually in for a penny, in for a pound. Time probably exists all the way back to the Big Bang, but I don't believe that the future exists, so I only believe in half of time. Of course, each now will continue to carry what it is and what the motion is onto the next now. Does this mean the future is set? No. On the macro level, it's you that decides to stop running, not information relayed from the past. Lee Smolin should have led with this. He'd have convinced me in just a few minutes. Let me know what you think. Thank you.